Hey everybody, I'm Brendan, and in this video I'll be showing you everything that comes in a Brainspring Structures implementation kit. So first things first, the sand trays.
You'll get 6 sand trays in an implementation kit, so let's put them in.
Alright, next, your Structures keyword stickers. You'll get 6 bags for your sand trays. Put those in. Next, you get 12 RedWord screens. Alright, next,
You get a bag of Brainspring's 3-pound magic sand.
a Structures Classroom card pack. A box of 12 whiteboard answer boards. 12 dry erase markers. A box of red crayons. And finally, 12 dry erasers. So that's everything you get in your kit. You'll also get access to our digital library, where you'll find all of your course publications, access to our members area, where you'll find hundreds of resources to use with your students, and a 1-year access pass to our course review, a valuable refresher that'll help you stay sharp in the classroom. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy implementing structures into your classroom.